Data accuracy, the foundation of confident real estate decisions with Dynamics 365 F&O. Meet John, head of real estate operations at a large enterprise. Tomorrow, he has to present a property portfolio update to his CEO. But here's the challenge. His team still relies on manual notebooks and spreadsheets. Property details, rent collections, and maintenance records are all scattered. And the night before the review, several critical records go missing. Instead of focusing on insights, John spends hours chasing missing data. The risk? Walking into the CEO meeting unprepared. Now imagine this instead. All property data consolidated in one dashboard. Automated updates on rent, maintenance, and occupancy. Instant, error-free reporting available on demand. That's exactly what our Dynamics 365 real estate solutions deliver for our enterprise clients, reducing reporting errors and cutting preparation time from days to minutes. For enterprises, every decision is high stakes. Don't let missing papers hold back your next CEO review.